Hello everyone. Let's provide the solution to this problem. X squared plus y equals 10. This is our equation 1. This is our equation 1. And then we have x minus y equals 2. This becomes our equation 2. And how do we deal with this? This is simple. Let's use substitution method. And that will be from equation 2, we'll make x the subject. So our x will now be equal to, we have 2 plus y. And we'll label this as our equation 3. Now, this equation 3, we have to put it back into equation 1. X squared plus y equals 10. Now, you cannot put equation 3 into equation 2 because it is equation 2 that gave birth to equation 3, right? So now, in place of x squared, I'm going to write 2 plus y to the power of 2. And then we have plus y. This is equal to 10. To continue with this, we are going to square what we have here. Remember, a plus b to the power of 2 is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. This is what we have. And then in place of 2 plus y squared, we're going to write 2 squared plus 2ab. A is 2 and b is y. Then plus b squared, that will now be y squared. Okay, then we have plus y, and everything is equal to 10. Okay, now for us to continue, we are going to have 2 squared is 4 plus 2 times 2 times y, that will be 4y plus y squared plus y equals 10. Now let's collect like terms. Y squared will come first. Then I have plus 4y and I have plus y. I will have plus 4, which is this. This is coming here to become minus 10. And then everything is now equal to 0. We have y squared plus 5y. Okay, then we have minus 6. Because 4 minus 10 is 6, is minus 6. This is equal to 0. From here, we can now solve this quadratically because this is a quadratic equation. So we will now be looking for the methods to apply here. Okay, so here is what we are going to do. We will use factorization method for this. But trust me, every other method can still work, right? Now, if we are going to factorize this, we look for two numbers we multiply to get minus 6. And then we put both of them together to get 5. The numbers will be 6 and minus 1, because 6 times minus 1 is minus 6, and then 6 plus minus 1 will give us 5. So this means that the factors will be y plus 6, which is this particular 6, and y minus 1. This is now equal to 0. So from here, what can we say? We are saying that it is either y plus 6 is equal to 0 or y minus 1 equals 0. So from here, y is equal to 0 minus 6 or y is equal to 0 plus 1. So that our y is equal to 6, negative 6 rather, or y is equal to 1. To conclude, we are having y to be minus 6 or 1. But then we need to get our x, and that will lead us back to equation 3, where we have x equal to 2 plus y. Okay, so this is our equation 3, and then I'm going to pick the first value of y, so that x will be equal to 2 minus, in place of y, I'm writing 6. So this means that x is equal to minus 4. So from here, we are saying that when x is equal to minus 4, y is equal to minus 6. Now, let's keep this aside because we're going to check to see if both of them will satisfy. Then, to continue, we still have x to be equal to 2 plus y. And now, x is equal to 2 plus y. Now, we are going to use 1 because we've used minus 6 before. So we use 1 this time for y. So our x will now be 3. So this means that when x equals 3, y equals 1. Now let's get the two equations and then we put them in. This is the first pair of equations. I mean pair of solutions, right? Now the our equation 1 is x squared plus y equals 10. Yes. So now our x squared will now be minus 4 squared. Then we have plus, what's our y? Our y is minus 6. Now, will this give me 10? I'm trying to confirm, right? So minus 4 squared will give us 16. Then plus minus will give minus, we have 6. 16 minus 6 is 10. This means that we are very correct. This pair of solutions, they are correct. Now, let's go straight to the second pair. We have x to be equal to 3 and y to be equal to 1. And the equation still remains x squared plus y equals 10. Now, our x squared from here is going to be 3 squared. Then plus y is 1. Now, 3 squared is 9. Yes, it's 9. Then we have plus 1. And this is giving us 10. So this also means that we are very correct to get to say that our x is 3 and y is 1. Thank you for watching. If you've learned something, please give me a thumb up.